Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Oppo Find X5 Lite. So we can do this with this Gosun Smart socket. We're gonna plug the charger into that socket, then to this device, and on this one right here you'll be able to see performance. So let's try that. And right here you can see all of the performance. So let's just wait about 30 seconds till all of them are stable. And here you have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.